Today in this video, I will show you Acer wireless keyboard and mouse that you can use with an iPad or smartphone. It is a lightweight, portable and easily carryable keyboard and mouse kit available at an affordable price. Here are the product specifications. Let's quickly unboxing it. User manual, USB Type-C charging cable, the keyboard looks very good. This is the blue variant and it is also available in different colors. It does not feel like cheap quality. The backside has a little bit of grip and you can see it is very thin, so you can carry it easily. Here is the on-off switch and the connect button. This is the USB Type-C charging port. Overall, the wireless keyboard's quality and look are very impressive. It works with iOS, Android and Windows. The mouse also feels like good quality. Here is the on-off switch. And here is the charging port. It is very lightweight. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. I will use a 1 ampere smartphone charger to charge it. Here is the green LED charging indicator. The keyboard also has a charging indicator. I will test it mainly with the iPad because many of us are confused about which keyboard and mouse support iOS. Since this mouse and keyboard use Bluetooth, I am turning on the switches now. For the first time setup, you have to connect the keyboard and mouse separately through Bluetooth. After that, they will connect automatically whenever you turn them on. You can see it is working perfectly with the iPad. I think you can use it for small typing tasks without any problem. The keyboard makes light clicking sounds, but the mouse is perfect and comfortable. I also tested it with an Android smartphone and it works perfectly with Android as well. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.